cute, Kyle.
I would stand by you forever. You can take my breath away.
Double underwear.
What's that?
Paano?
What's that?
So that's the guy.
Is that what you call the pabebetang?
Yeah, it's a puppet.
How's that again?
Like this. Where's the guy? Where's the guy?
Not me.
What's his name? There.
Alden.
Oh. So you're the guy.
Yeah.
You're a very guy, as in guy. You're cute. That's why I know the reason why. That's why Yaya is getting crazy about you. You're handsome.
Wow.
Cute.
Yeah.
Cute. So young.
Wow.
I think I want to meet you.
What?
Oh, one more time.
This is for you.
Give it to me, I'm worth it.
Nahihilo si Alden.
Yeah. Yung legs mo pang sanggol. Bakit yung underwear mo patong-patong? Double underwear.
Wow. Wild The wild one.
Ayoko na. Taga New York nga yan, hindi nag-aahit eh.
Where's the...
Give it to me, I'm worth it.
You know, Alden. Hey, Alden, I'm telling you. I want to tell you something. But first of all, I want you to know that I'm single.
To know what to tell.
I want to tell you, and I want you to know that I'm still single.
Wow. Yan.
Second, Grandma is very sick.
Sick after
7.
5.
Lola is very sick, and she's dying. So are you happy now? Are you happy now?
Oh. Yeah.
So happy.
Wow.
Baho ah.
Tumikit sa TV pag humihinga ka. Sagap din namin.
Pagbiyahan nyo, may sinasabi.
This is all your fault. If Lola,
I'll dub you, Lola. Hashtag for the day.
Nahihirapan si Yaya.
Pabibitang naman. Saan pabibitang naman dyan? Doon sa kabila naman.
you should know this,
Thought
Alden.
some time alone
You should know this.
was what
You know,
we really needed. They said this time would hurt, then it helps, but I couldn't see that. I thought it was the end.
Okay. And one thing more, I want to tell you. I want to meet you
Ay.
personally, face to face, and I want to talk to you personally.
Parang inaakit ah. Face to face.
I am so sad of what happening to my grandmother. But you guys are so happy.
Parang nandidiri ah.
I will tell you where, and what time.
Oh, parang party. What, when, where?
I will send you the Google map and the Waze.
May Google Shala! May Google Map.
Yeah. What happened to my fingernails?
Natuklap.
Parang kuko ni Mahal ah.
So you, Alden, better watch out. And you too, girl. And you three. And you two.
YouTube.
All of you. So I am warning you, yeah. I'm warning you. Like, as in warning. You know, warning.
Global warning?
Warning yun.
Warning ba
yun?
That's babala.
Babala yun.
Paolo. Lawless dying. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Don't sit like that.
Yeah.
Hey.
This is very good. So what's that? What's that? Tell me what's that? What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
Ang pag-ibig ko'y mababago, itaga mo sa bato. Dumaan man ang maraming Pasko, kahit na di mo nabot ang sahig, kahit na di mo na ako marinig, ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Mahal na mahal kita, hindi ako magbabago.
And that's it.
Iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhumaling. At sa tuwing ikaw ay lalapit, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil. Ang pangalan mo
So that's it. Yeah.
Meron pa.
You're celebrating. You're celebrating with Alden while Lola Grandma is suffering right now. You don't have a heart, Yaya. It's like you're crazy with that guy.
Parang maiiyak pa si Dang. Jesus Christ.
Parang naipit.
Bababa ba?
Parang naipit ah.
Tinutulit.
Parang naipit. Ayun na.
Taga.
Alden,
Wow.
after the show, I want to talk to you.
Wow.
Personally, and I'm really serious. As in serious. Seryoso ko to. I like you.
Wow. Nabuga. Nabuga.
But we should settle this. Lola is so sick, suffering right now. This is for you.
But I need to tell you something. You want me to
Nalapat nung tila.
Hey, Ja.
Ja.
Vic?
Do you know Pabebe?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it a lot. With Lola.
Okay.
Do you Can you show us your pabebe?
With Yaya?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Ay, kami ang pabebe girl. At wala kayong pake kung pabebe kami sa mga video namin. At wala kayong karapatan dahil nanonood lang kayo.
Version
Buhay namin ito, manahimik ka. Kung gusto nyo yung sumigat sa video, gumawa rin kayo ng sarili nyo ng video. Wala kayong pake.
Parang si Lola din, no?
Oo, parang siya din.
Siyempre, apo eh. Okay, so ano kaya, makita kaya.
Excuse me, Yaya.
Grabe tong pamilyang to, no?
Bakit ayaw maitabi si Yaya dyan?
I hate her.
I hate it.
I hate her so much. As in hate. Angry.
Ang hate?
Yeah.
Ang hate.
Because Yaya, you know Yaya.
Give me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. Ibigin ka. We'll be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart.
Stop it!
It's too full.
Stop it! That's enough! That's enough!
So what's the title of the song? Do you know that song?
What's the song?
That one.
Oh, the Danny Night, Danny Night. That's
Oh,
the
you
one.
know it too.
Grandma told me about it, Danny Night, Danny Night. I really hate you. Sumusobra ka na.
You're like Lola.
Like Lola.
The way she speaks.
Yes.
The way she talks.
I really like Lola.
Especially when she's mad.
When I'm mad, I like Lola also. When she's mad, I like Lola when she's mad.
Yeah.
That's why I want to copy her when she's mad.
She's mad.
Kasi nangano ka eh, ha? Tandaan mo, pag may nangyari kay Lola, hindi kita mapapatawad, uy.
Para si Lola rin. Ha?
Akala mo masaya ka, uy. Si Lola naghihirap. Hindi ko na makausap ng matino. Dumating ako galing airport. Latang-lata si Lola. Kinukumusta ko, Lola, how are you? Walang sinabi kundi,
Baka busog.
si Lola, paisa-isa na lang huminga. Hindi ka naawa. Isang hinga sa umaga, isang hinga sa tanghali, isang hinga.
Anong hunga? Anong hunga?
Kawawa. Tatlong beses na lang huminga sa isang araw si
3
Lola.
times a day lang.
Tapos nag-i-enjoy ka pa. Wow! Ang galing mo rin. Nakakagigil.
Pagod ako. Huwag kang loloko-loko.
Ay.
Baka gusto mo iampas ko tong bag ko sa'yo mas
Ay!
Ah.
MG.
Wow! Ikaw pang napagod. Wala ka nang ginawa. Pabebe. Pagod. Wow! Yung lola ko. Si Grandma, 3 beses huminga sa isang araw. Sandali lang. Okay.
Oh, what's that?
You're happy? I want you to read this. You're happy? Pingi naman tubig sa inyo. May tubig. I need water, please.
Wow.
Do you know how to read? Read it. Basahin mo!
Pinasok niya sa bahay. Ang